Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Strinova game on your PC. Let's first open up your browser, just search for the Steam website, then open it, then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Guys, here simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Guys, you just need to download the Steam and install it onto your PC. Just click on this install Steam option and just download it and install it. Then open it, then just log into your account, then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is Strinova. And guys, once you type this game appear on the top, which is Strinova. Just click on that game to open it. And once you open up the Strinova game, here just scroll down and you'll see the option of add to library. As you can see, this game is free to play, so just click on this option of add to library, and now the Strinova game is added to your library of Steam. So just click on this option of OK, then just go to your library of Steam. On the left hand side, just find the Strinova game, just search for it. And once you find the Strinova game, just click on that, then just click on the option of install. And guys, that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.